But hold on, Mac. Yo, where did nigga go? Somebody said smile, nigga gone now. Nigga gone now.
Sheesh.
Yo, come back. Yo, come back. Yo, nigga got a hole so big in his tooth right now that K-Shine about to walk through that shit any minute now, King. K-Shine about, he got a hole so
tell him why
big,
you
I'm
mad.
about to walk
Cece,
through.
tell him why you mad. Cece, tell him why you mad.
Thank you.
I'm mad because you got a big ass hole in your teeth, King. Now I'm smiling, nigga.
Right? What else you mad for?
Yo, it's picture day, QP. Smile, nigga. It's picture day, nigga. Smile, nigga.
He trying for wild.
Come get your fork.
Nigga don't need it. Yo. Nigga he don't gotta open his mouth, no nothing, no like to smoke that blunt. Put that blunt through that big ass hole, QP. Smoke that shit, QP.
Keep going. Keep going,
Keep going, nigga. We trying to see that big ass hole in your tooth.
Keep going, nigga.
No!
Keep going.
Not like that.
Hold on, I'm on 20%. I'm on 20%. Yo, Mac, the nigga ain't smile one time.
What else he got? What else he got?
That's all I got. That's all I got. I only came up here to see you smile.
I figured. Cece, go write some more jokes, Cece.
All right, so hold on. Let's see you smile. All right. I'm gonna write some more jokes. Now let's see you smile. Next, let's see you smile.
Smile, baby.
Man.
Smile, baby.
She don't need to smile. She ain't even want to
Smile.
smile.
We gotta make this non-gay. We gotta make this non-gay. We gotta bring a bitch.
It's Monday. It's Monday, King. It's Monday. It's Monday. She's supposed to be in school. It's Monday. Ain't no after school, no nothing, King. No after
3
school.
o'clock.
Stop making my bitch.
Stop making my bitch
laugh. Stop making
No, he said it's Monday.
It's
after 3. It's after 3 o'clock, too.
Yeah, I'm saying she ain't got no after school program or nothing. She can learn how to play basketball. She can.
Go ahead, Cece.
Yo, Slim, she learn how to play basketball or something. You know what I'm saying?
Go ahead, Cece.
Not the basketball.
She can learn how to play a little basketball or something after school program. She get lit. You know what I'm saying? She go to WNBA. She got time. She young. She young.
Stop
she got
laughing.
Yeah.
No. Stop
She.
Hey,
yo, hold on. Yo, QP. I ain't even come up here and argue with you, QP.
No, we not arguing, too.
Yo, Mac. Yo, I just have one question. That's all I had. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga said no after school.
Why this nigga ain't showing his teeth? That's my question. Why he ain't showing his teeth? Why he ain't showing his teeth?
Why he said Shorty look wild young?
Why he ain't show his teeth?
Why would I he deflected.
Cece, why would I
there you go. Look at the hole. Look at the hole. Get a light. Get a light.
Look at the hole.
Get a light.
Nah, quantum. Go in the corner. Go to the corny corner.
Yeah, go to the corny corner.
Go to the corny corner. Go to the corny corner. Yeah.
He got more.
You gotta go to the corny corner.
That hole in his teeth.
You gotta go to the corny
corner. Go in the
corner.
light. There you go. Go in the light. Let's see the hole in his teeth.
See, why you mad?
Oh, damn,
yo, whistle, nigga. Big ass hole in your teeth. Whistle, nigga.
Go ahead, Cece.
No, he did the Labrador hole.
Yo,
that's the Labrador hole.
Cece. Show us one of these, Cece.
Just called a mockingbird. This nigga just called a mockingbird.
Show us one of these.
No, he called the Labrador.
Cece, show us one of these. Cece, show us one of these.
Hey, yo, Mac, it sound windy as hell when I nigga talk. It sound like wind.
Show us one of these. Show us one of these, please, my niggas. Just one. Cece. Cece.
Oh, 2K with the 100 shot. He came with the 100 shot.
Yo, Mac. He's showing the little girl ass. He's showing everything else. He's showing his house. He's showing his TVs. He ain't showing his people on time. We saw you. We see the house. You got a nice
that's
house.
why you don't laugh.
You got a nice aim system. You got a nice little 18-year-old in your house. That's nice. Now show your teeth, King.
Closed caption. Closed caption. Look, everything.
Nah, they said 2-3-0.
Hey, yo, I ain't gonna hold you.
Yo, Quantum.
Yeah, that's nice.
Is wilding on you right now.
Hey, yo, QP, that's nice. That's a nice Gucci sign. That's nice.
Yeah. You know how much it costs?
Yeah, that's nice.
How much it costs?
It probably costs $1,000.
Yo, too. You know how much it costs?
Tell me the price.
Damn, y'all.
Tell me the price, QP.
God damn.
Tell me the price, QP.
I ain't gonna hold that nigga. Yo, Truth came.
Yo, hold on, Slime. Yo, QP, tell me the price, Slime. Tell me the price, QP. Nigga showing his ear, he can't show his tooth though. Show your goddamn
Give me a
teeth,
hand.
nigga.
I'm saying,
Show
let
your
me your ear,
goddamn
too.
teeth, nigga. I came on here
Let
to
me
see your
your
goddamn
ear.
teeth, nigga.
Let me your ear, too.
Show
me your goddamn tooth, nigga.
Nigga doing everything else, but go,
Goddamn, y'all.
he trying to go in the dunk. He trying to go in the dunk so he can't see. He trying to go in the dunk. Nigga acting like his Wi-Fi messing up. He acting like his Wi-Fi messing up. He doing that on purpose.
Yo.
He got the honey shot.
Damn, y'all.
He got the honey shot.
CC, you got us laughing, CC. I'm not gonna lie. You got us laughing,
airplane
CC.
mode. Then nigga went on
You got us
airplane
laughing,
mode.
CC. CC, go ahead.
Oh, nah,
Tell
he
us what
said
you
you
meant.
on airplane mode.
Nigga put on airplane mode on purpose. Oh, nice. That's a
I
nice
hear
game
you.
system.
I hear you. I
That's a
hear you.
nice game
CC
system.
Airlines.
Yo, Quan,
That's a nice game
CC
system.
Airlines.
work.
CC Airlines.
Yo, that's a nice QP. QP, that's a nice game system. Now let's see your teeth now. Let's see your teeth now.
I know.
This nigga
Yo,
showing
Mack.
everything else
Yo,
but
Mack, nigga said
that
you
nigga
gotta
say,
say
show
the
me
lie.
that, show me that.
Say
I'm
the
look
lie,
what I got.
man.
Look what I got. I got a game system. I got money. I got girls. They underage, but I got girls. Everybody look.
CC.
Now show your teeth now.
Why you mad, CC?
Show your teeth
Why
now.
you mad, CC? Tell me why you mad.
Like I'm not mad. I'm happy. Show your teeth.
Hey yo, nigga said if this is CC, that nigga's a genius.
Yo, QP.
Not
Yo,
if
QP.
it's CC. It is CC.
Yo,
Listen to his voice.
Yo, Mack.
Listen to those. Hey, yo, QP.
Yo, Mack.
Hey, yo, QP.
Yo, Mack.
Go ahead,
Yo,
Mr.
Mack.
Burns.
Yo, Matt, you always
Red
got
light
that
on.
look on your face, man.
That's CC. That's CC show.
Nigga, Matt look like me right now. Yo, Matt, you look like me, man.
Yeah, they said fight the fuck back, Q.
Yo,
They said fight back, Q.
Yo, Matt, he ain't got to fight back.
Hey, Mac
I
with two
just want to
C's.
see his
I
feet. He
thought
got
we
all
were
that
revealing
money.
who this nigga
Nigga spending
was.
all that money all day, all night. Spending all that money at girls. He buying them nice clothes, nice outfits.
All that money on girls and buying your nice shit
They
now, and then what?
You ain't buying them no goddamn book bag.
Goddamn, y'all. Right, then what happens?
Yo, I ain't about to
I'm
talk over
tired.
you.
Tell me
I
something
ain't gonna talk over
different.
you. Get off your chest,
y'all. Goddamn,
Nigga
y'all.
said get it off your chest.
Goddamn, y'all. Ain't show me a bitch yet, y'all.
I'm waiting.
Hey, CC, listen, let me address
I'm giving you a chance to fight back.
CC.
You keep
Go ahead, CC. I'm trying to talk back.
Hold on, he said he tried to talk.
That's what teeth do. They speak back. So I'm telling you, CC,
teeth speak back.
keep doing your thing. But now when you outside, we know who you are. So it's a lot different. Like I don't gotta argue with you now. I don't gotta argue with the puppy. I'm arguing with CC. So I can't get on your nose because it's not on camera, Mr. Burns. You feel me? You have to bring me in the midst of Mr. Burns to be able to set principles for that type of shit. A new clear vision for you, whether you home or not, you still CC show. So when you come outside, CC, you smell me? I know you do. God damn, y'all. That's you. Me and you. That's it. It's nothing to talk about. What is there to talk about? I'm showing you shit you don't have. BMWs, Mercedes, houses. Feel me? You have nothing. What am I arguing with you for? You have a fucking wife beater on as a fucking mugger cap. What am I doing? You gonna roll up on me and what? Pull it down and have a wife beater on? What are you doing? Your arms don't even work. You gonna latex on my head, but you got latex gloves that don't work. They're attached to arms that don't move. What am I saying? I'm not arguing with you. CC, unmasked, right? And let's go nose to tooth. My front teeth versus your fucking Mr. Burn nose. What's good? What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? Because it's really you. It's you. You sending out me and clean motherfucking identity to 100 people. For what? I'm arguing with myself right now. I'm arguing with myself right now.
They say keep fighting back.
Am I arguing with myself right now? That's what I'm saying. So come on, CC.
They said keep fighting back.
Hey, QP, finish. I let you get the floor. I ain't saying nothing.
Now you stuttering. How can one tooth stutter?
He ain't finished. All right, keep going.
One tooth and you stuttering. Shut up. This is what I'm telling you. Like as a fill-in, like you just a fill-in for the culture. You got to come outside now. You feel me? You see what I'm saying? Listen, if you email my partner, make sure you CC me in the message because you're just a carbon copy, right? But this is the thing about your whip. You driving a scraper. That car been copied a long time ago. You know what I mean? I'm borrowing you to sleep. I'm borrowing you to sleep, right? With these two front teeth in my mouth, right? That exceed anything that you could bring to the table. Because you bring in false fulfillment. You feel me? So you trying to indent yourself in the game, right? Damn. When you just gonna end up, you just gonna end up with your teeth in the glass, nigga, next to the one nightstand that I call my baby mama. You feel me?
Oh, like dentures.
Yeah. God damn, y'all.
Talk to him.
Hey, tell me this favor though. How you been doing this shit for a full year and only got 5,000 subscribers? Explain that to me. Like, how does that work? Like, what's been going on? What's all this work for? What? You pulled up to the puppet shop
Hey,
and
yo, Matt,
bought the
I
fucking.
got about 15%, man. I'm letting him talk for like
What?
5 minutes already, man.
Don't cop a plea now.
about
You
15%,
pulled.
man.
Shut up. Shut up. You pulled up to the fucking puppet shop with your partner Dwayne. Soon as Dwayne parks the car, you go in and say, "What name can I make up for who bought the puppet?" Oh, Dwayne Parks. Then you come up with Dwayne Parks. You got a nigga. Shut up. You got a nigga named Dwayne Parks beat up at a fucking battle rap event, and that's not the nigga. It's you, CC. You feel me, CC? They gonna put words to the screen because this is the closed caption for your closed casket, nigga. And for the cocaine that you think is crack cocaine, nigga, I'm gonna show you what the 2 C's mean.
I know he
Not
gotta
just
be
because
tired now. He gotta be tired now.
Yo, it's
He
1-1
gotta be
going
tired
into
now.
the
Keep going,
third.
keep going.
It's 1-1
Hold on,
going into the third.
Shut up!
Hold on, please.
Shut up!
I'll be all up
Hey,
you.
hey, yo, he
It's
long-winded
two.
just like me.
Hold on. It's two
Shut
turns.
up!
Hey, you finished? You finished, nigga? You
He
finished?
wild.
Am
He
I
wild
finished?
doing. I ain't gonna hold you too. He wild doing you on that one.
Hey,
Hold
yo,
on, let
Matt,
him
Yo,
rock. Let him
Tooth.
rock too.
Yo, Tooth, I ain't gonna lie.
Yo, Matt, I'm giving him the
2P, you
floor,
gotta
man.
let him rock.
Your cut man
I'm
mad right
giving him the
now.
floor, man.
Hold on,
He
they
don't
said
got
it's
that.
1-1. I ain't gonna hold you. He wild.
Whoa,
Hey,
whoa,
look,
hey, yo,
bro.
it's
I just
1-1
want to
going
know
into the
he's done,
third.
man.
I'm
It's
just
your.
getting started, my nigga.
It's your way
1-1
too.
going into the third.
It's on
Hey,
me.
We
Mac.
gotta let
It's
you
on
rock.
me. It's on me.
I mean,
Yo, top of
2P
the
gotta
third
let you
on me.
rock.
Tooth.
It's on you too.
Yo, with all that said, nigga said a whole paragraph, a whole goddamn bio, nigga said a whole goddamn 4-page story and all that. Now I'm saying with all that said and all that, the nigga did not smile one time and show his teeth. That's all I'm waiting for. I'm trying to get a good glance. Every time nigga say a word, I'm saying, this is me. I'm trying to get a good glance. Now show that hole, QP. Show that hole, QP. I listened to you talk the whole time. I interrupt. No, nothing. I interrupt.
Show that hoe, QP. There she
I
go.
gave you the floor. I
Wait,
gave you the
hold on.
floor.
Don't interrupt, Q.
He gonna
Hold on.
interrupt because he don't want to show that too. When it get real, you can tell. You can see it in there too. Now look,
Bang,
put it
bang.
on 3G. He put it on 3G.
That was a Don DeMarco.
Nigga put it on 3G. Nigga saying all this. Nigga wrote a goddamn story and all that. Nigga hyping this nigga up. You talking real? Nah, nigga, show your goddamn smile now, kid. Oh, now his phone messed up. Oh my God,
hold on.
I can't hear him. My service is bad. Oh my God,
done?
I'm gonna start scheming any minute now.
He's still going.
Nigga had that same shirt on yesterday. God damn, King. Nigga don't be doing laundry no more. God damn. Nigga said, yo,
Oh,
let me go to Walmart. Let me see what's on sale. Oh, champion. Oh shit, it's $21. Oh, all right. Let me get that. Oh, Levi's. Oh, all right. What they got jerseys? Oh, football jersey. I don't watch no football. Football. Get out of here, nigga. Oh, Burlington shopping ass nigga. Get out of here, King. I seen you on Marshalls. Oh, TJ Maxx ass nigga.
Not the Max. Not Max. Not Max.
He said football.
And yo, Matt, nigga say, yo, look, he got the champion. That shit came with the shirt.
If you laugh again, don't laugh again.
Yo.
That came with the shirt.
Nah, hold on.
Matt, that shit
If
came with
you
the
laugh again, I'm out of here.
Quantum. If they laughing,
We in this
you
together.
can't do that.
No, they said
gotta
the
let the
book
reaction
bag
go.
came with the shirt.
You gotta let the reaction go. Let it happen.
No.
Just let the reaction happen, Quantum.
Yo, Matt, nigga showed it off. Nigga say, look, I got a two-piece set. Nigga showing it off. Don't get out of here, King. I got a two-piece champion set. Nigga hype. It came with a hat too, nigga.
Oh, you got the tattoo? You got the tattoo too? Oh, he true to this. My son a champion for real.
Nah, he not a champion. Nigga a loser, King. He a goddamn loser, King.
No, this live is platinum. I'm saving this show.
Nah,
No.
This diamond.
Hey, yo,
This is diamond.
Yo,
This is diamond.
how a goddamn crackhead win champion? How a goddamn crackhead nigga see sample crack?
How a goddamn
K stand for crack. Nigga, I ain't no goddamn champion. That's crack-in, goddamn champion. I see stand for crack. They got a big ass
I'm waiting
on
for him to finish. He got to
Crack
finish.
man to the rescue. Crack man to the rescue.
No!
Crack man, and that's me.
Nobody told me the third round was unlimited rounds.
Yeah, he
We
can
got
go
a
as
whole
long as he can
goddamn
go.
world
I don't
record.
want to be stopped. I don't want to be stopped.
Yeah, hold on, because you ain't gonna be stopped, Q, so let him go.
Nah,
Yo,
let him
QP,
go. Let him go.
QP, show me how you
I ain't
flip.
heard one thing yet.
Make it, look how many
I ain't heard one thing yet.
Yo, clean paper. Yo, come here, clean. Come here, clean. Look how many lines I can slip in 2.5 seconds. Clean paper, watch out, nigga, my turn. Oh, you won. I'm some high. Oh, crackheads. Team crackhead ass niggas. Team crackhead ass niggas. Niggas sharing pipes. Ain't no pause. Niggas sharing pipes. Niggas passing the blunt. Yo, Mack,
He's
niggas pass the blunt. Niggas pass the blunt. Niggas passing the pipe. Niggas passing the crack pipe. Yo, Snort. Your turn, keep it. Your turn, Queen.
No!
You ain't got no weed? Nah, it's only crack.
Yo,
Get out of here.
you can't make this shit up.
No! What the fuck?
Team
You
crackheads.
can't make this
Like
shit
say,
up.
yo, we ain't going to no rehab. We ain't doing nothing. We gonna stay high all our lives. Get clean. What you mean get clean? You mean clean paper? That's the only clean I know. I'm going through the dirty clothes. I'm going through the hamper. I'm looking for the champion. I'm looking for the jerseys I wore yesterday. Oh, there it is. The red one. I'm gonna put that on. I don't know nothing about no football. I don't know nothing about no goddamn soccer. But I'm gonna put that shit on.
Yo.
Walmart.
Nah. Yo.
Nigga went to the goddamn clearance out.
Yo.
He ran to the clearance out. Yo, slime. Nigga ran to the clearance out.
You ain't just send him to where Rich Dollars at. Nah, he gotta come back. Yo, Matt, you gotta get Quantum back. Ain't no way.
Nah, we don't want
Ain't
to
no
come
way.
back. Nigga probably getting high right now, you know what I'm saying? Nigga talking about